going back over here to
head east, then use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto McDaniel Street Southwest. Use the
World Congress Center. Pick up that trade show we dropped off last week. Forget going on this hill. Now we got her stopped. And she's a spinning. This right here is a solid ice, boys and girls.
Turn left and then turn right at 510 feet.
Come on, Betsy. We,
400 feet.
it's like a ghost town out here.
Whitehall Street.
It's like Christmas Day. Everybody's at home. Alright, so X56A, turn left, go to Northside Drive, and turn right. We just did this the other day, remember? We're going to stay behind this little Acura. Let him do whatever he needs to do. No trains coming. Nope, we're good. That's why we were going slow. Red light on the hill is covered in ice. We're probably going to come back out this way too, but if we get stopped at the red light going out, well, we can always throw the socks on this thing. We've got socks back there in the side box. We'll be the only ones in Atlanta, Georgia, chaining up. We're not going to throw the chains, but we'll throw socks. Those socks are so sticking easy. It's crazy. Crazy. I have not established contact with my guy yet. I'm supposed to be here at 1. It's a quarter till noon.
500 feet. Turn right on Northside Drive.
And
US 19.
I'll get over here and go to the marshalling yard and call him. He'll probably tell me to come on in. It's a pretty low traffic day. Let's go ahead and see what we got out here. Yep, clear. I mean, there's nobody in Atlanta today. Everybody stayed home. Isn't that awesome? A little bit of ice and snow shuts everything down there in the south for a while. As long as you watch your way, watch everybody else, and don't do anything stupid, you can do whatever you want to. Trucks over 6 wheels keep right except to pass. Yeah, I don't want to. Too much road salt over there. Plus we gotta make a right turn down here. I'd rather have the room to swing out. Ain't nobody out here with me. Riding left lane if I want to, right?
In a quarter of a mile, turn right on Markham Street and then turn right at 890 feet.
You are a little loud there, Rand McNally. Turn that volume down here in a minute.
700 feet. Turn right on Markham Street and then.
Well, there is the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. We were here, what, last Monday? Right before game time. I'll tell you what, I am impressed with this old Great Dane trailer I'm pulling. That Hyundai trailer I had before this Great Dane, that thing, you wouldn't be stopping on these inclines, I guess, because the trailers would be surging back there. But this Great Dane, man, that thing has never missed a beat. Absolutely amazing. Come on, man, you can do it. Take your time, don't fall. I ain't gonna run you over. Got the wrong kind of shoes on. Be out here walking this ice. I wonder if it'd be fun getting in and out of the docks today, or if they've salted it. I assume they are working. The agent called me this morning, wanted to know what my ETA was. I said, well, I'll be there at noon. I've got a 1300 pickup time on it. So I guess that means they are working. Don't buy me a little Fuller. You should never ride beside a big truck. You're just gonna hang out right there. I'd slow down everything, but all right, I'm gonna get over in front of you. So we're gonna make a right down here. He was just hanging out right there by my trailer. Not very intelligent. I see. I didn't touch the brakes and the air compressor kicked on. Did y'all hear that?
Quarter a mile, turn right on Ivan Allen Jr. Boulevard.
Some guys, they don't touch the brakes, air compressor. Air compressor runs on these things.
Turn right on Ivan Allen Jr.
Trailer went a little squirrely back there, and I'm not on the brakes, but it's sliding to the right. Stan Allen. Ivan Allen, I mean. Go ahead and try to go on in there, because I don't really want to do the Marston yard.
Quarter a mile, turn right on Marietta Street. 400 feet. Boulevard and Dan. Make a U-turn if possible in 110 feet.
How we doing, sir?
How you doing?
Here to pick up some Mary Kay stuff.
Mary Kay?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, this is your first day back? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
I brought the load in and now I'm picking
Oh, so
it up.
you know where to go?
Yes.
Okay, I got you.
Yep. Thank you. So alright, we pulled a fast one on him. Now we'll get down here and we'll call our contact. Say, hey, we are here. I didn't want to get into that Marston yard. That thing's on a big incline, and lots of just a parking lot. You know, which they probably have not treated. So yeah, I don't see very many trucks down here getting loaded. So this is not a good sign, right?
In 300 feet, make a U-turn if possible and then turn left in 480 feet.
Just put the gear there, Tim. We'll see you guys in a bit. I'm going to call this guy.
Turn right in 3.
My little Rand McNally's having a conniption fit. But we're going to go back out the way we came in, because we don't know. The other way takes you through town a little bit and puts you on 75. And we know going out this way will put us right on 20. We just got to get up that hill right there where that red light was. And anyway, it's 22 degrees outside. So whatever water we did have earlier in the day, of course, I don't think it ever got. This might be the warmest it's been. I don't think it ever got above freezing today, but the sunshine did help quite a bit, you know.
Continue on this road for 7 miles. Warning, lane violation ahead.
Yeah, we don't care. I don't know why it wants me to take this road for 7 miles. Didn't we have this argument the other day? Anyway, I should have the camera on when I came back through the marshalling yard. I mean, well, there wasn't nothing really to see except it is all boat trailers. I guess they're getting a lot of boats in there. I know I've seen some jacked up golf carts getting unloaded and going in. I'm gonna run this light, guys. Getting unloaded and going inside, and so I don't know. But where I picked up their load, which was all Mary Kay stuff, that side was just being demolished. So I guess they got the other half, something going in. If you guys see our road we turned on, let me know. We'll shut the camera down. I'll turn it back on when we get to that hill. It looks like they might have salted it. Got it cleaned up today. So, good deal. We don't like salt, but for the most part, they got our hill straightened out right here, because this would have been a booger to get up. Oh yeah, beautiful piece of cake. All right. And here is our big road. So let's hope we don't hit no I seen that guy running over. I don't know, did y'all see him? Crazy. Let's hope we don't hit no black ice today. We're gonna go as far as we can. I heard Louisiana was closed, but they might have it open time we get there. I don't think we're gonna make it to Louisiana today. Changed my fuel filter today all by myself. I should have videoed it. That's a big deal because this thing's a pain to get to restart. And I did it while sitting on the dock at the World Congress Convention Center, because that's a brave move, you know. But we got her fired up. Had to bleed her out. Sign said no trucks, 2 left lanes. That's okay, that's over there. So we're good in this lane. Anyway, guys, we're just gonna sit here and ramble. So we'll cut this short. I was just saying my fuel filter was on like 15. Coming down here, I parked it last night, went to bed, and it was on 4, and got up and it was on like it was running at 10, but under a pool it was shooting up to 15. So I'm like, yeah, it's clogged up. So I figured out how to change it and got it to restart. If I hadn't have gotten it to restart, I would have to call road service or somebody. And that would have been expensive, you know, for something that could have waited. But it's better getting out here and shut down the middle of the interstate and having to fix it then, right? All right, we'll see y'all at the wall.